Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you're dealing with something pretty frustrating. Your disk partition suddenly disappeared, or maybe you just can't access it anymore, and yeah, it can be stressful. Maybe you open this PC one day and notice your D drive or E drive is just gone, or after reinstalling Windows, the partition turned into unallocated space. Or even worse, you click on Drive and Windows is asking you to format it before you can use it. And of course, if you format it right away, there is a good chance you lose everything inside. But here is the good news. In a lot of cases, the data isn't actually gone. It's just a partition structure that got damaged or hidden, and Windows can't recognize it anymore. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few different ways you can try to recover that lost partition and hopefully get your data back. Let's start with the easiest methods first and then move step by step. Method 1. Rescan, disk, and disk management. Easiest free fix. Alright, first thing we are going to try is something built right into Windows. No downloads, nothing complicated. Here is what you do. Right-click on this PC and go to Manage. Then click on Disk Management on the left side. Once you're in Disk Management, take a look at your devices carefully. Sometimes the partition is still there, it just isn't showing properly. Now click on Action at the top, then choose Rescan Disk. Give it a few seconds. In some cases, Windows will refresh everything and your missing partition might be just pop back up. This is simple, but honestly, it only works for minor issues. Method 2. Use Diskpart command, more advanced free method. If that didn't work, we can go a bit deeper using a built-in command tool. This one sounds technical, but just follow along. Press Win plus R, type cmd command, and hit Enter. Then type Diskpart, and next list disk. And you'll see all the drives connected to your computer. Now select the correct disk, select it, then list volume. Check if your missing partition shows up, but maybe without a drive letter. If you find it, just assign a letter like this. Assign letter equals Z. And boom! Sometimes the drive will show up again in File Explorer. This works great when the partition is still there but just hidden or unmounted. Method 3. Run CHKDSK to fix file system errors. If your drive shows up but won't open, or Windows says it's corrupted, this method might help you. Here's what you do. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run. Replace X with your drive letter. Then just let it run. It might take a while depending on the size of your drive. This doesn't exactly restore partitions, but it can fix file system errors that make a drive unreadable. Method 4. Use TestDisk. Free but powerful tool. Now this one is more advanced, but it's completely free and actually really powerful. It's called TestDisk. Basic steps. Open TestDisk and create a new log file. Select your disk. Choose the correct partition type, usually Intel or EFI GPT. Go into Analyze, run a quick search. If it finds your lost partition, you can select it and write the partition table back. This tool is super effective, but yeah, the interface is pretty old school and not beginner friendly. Method 5. Use Drecov recommended professional tool. If nothing so far has worked, this is where things get more serious. And at this point, I usually recommend a professional recovery tool like Drecov. This one is designed specifically for deeper recovery cases like lost or deleted partitions, drive showing as unallocated, corrupted partition tables, system crashes, or virus damage. How to use it? First, open the software. The interface is pretty clean and beginner-friendly. Then choose partition recovery mode. Select the disk where your partition was lost and start the scan. Now the software will do a deeper scan of the drive. This can take a bit of time, but it's looking for all recoverable partition structures. Once it's done, you can preview the files to make sure everything looks right. Then just click Recover. That's it. Why this tool stands out? Compared to the free methods, this one is different because it doesn't just try to fix the system. It actually digs deep and rebuilds lost partition structures. And honestly, that's why a lot of people use tools like this when everything else fails. Big advantage. Very easy to use. Deep scanning capability. Works even in several partition loss cases. Much more beginner-friendly than tools like TestDisk. Alright, that's all 5 methods you can try to recover a lost partitions. Start simple, work your way down the list, and don't panic. In many cases, your data is still there. One important tip though, don't keep writing new data to the affected drive, because that can overwrite what you are trying to recover. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll be posting more tutorials like this on data recovery and computer fixes. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.